Easy and delicious, high-protein choc chip cookie dough that you can turn into protein bars, ice cream, or just a quick and easy snack when you're craving something sweet. In a bowl, add oat flour, almond flour, brown stevia, and a pinch of salt. Mix, then add melted butter, vanilla extract, and sugar-free maple syrup. Mix again till completely smooth, then add your vanilla protein powder, and if you want the best result, form out your dough, then add chocolate chips, and we're going to place the cookie dough in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours to let it firm up. After that, you can turn it into bites, protein bars, or even add it to ice cream. If you're trying to build muscle, these high-protein, cheesy, garlic chicken rolls are a delicious, quick and easy snack with 37 grams of protein that you can store in the freezer and reheat whenever you need. Dice your chicken breast into cubes, then add these seasonings and mix well to coat. For the garlic sauce, mix cottage cheese, Greek yogurt, lime mayo, garlic paste, lemon juice, honey, and the seasonings on screen. Blend that mixture up till completely smooth, then add your chicken to a pan with some cooking spray and cook on high heat till golden brown. Place the chicken in a bowl with all of that garlic sauce, cheddar and mozzarella, chopped parsley to form your filling. Now on a warm tortilla, add 1/6 of your chicken mix and roll it up tightly, repeating till you have 8 rolls. Give them a quick spray, sprinkle with parsley, and bake or air fry with these settings. Then store in the freezer and reheat when you're the most delicious, high-protein honey barbecue chicken with crispy potatoes for only 500 calories and 57 grams of protein. It's super easy to make and perfect for meal prep too. Dice your potatoes into cubes, then add cooking spray, salt and pepper, mix, and oven or air fry with these settings. Now to your chicken thighs, add these seasonings, low sugar barbecue sauce, honey, and mix well till fully coated. Then add them to a greased and lined tray and oven bake with these settings. Once they're out, spread on some more barbecue sauce and broil for 5 more minutes, like this. Now just box up the crispy potatoes and chicken into 4 equal servings, store in the fridge, and reheat with
I'm a big fan of making my own homemade treats, and these peanut butter crisp bars are so easy and so good. I find if I have my own treats made in the fridge that I just tend to eat that bit better and I feel more satisfied. All I'm using is chocolate and coconut oil melted together, then I use Rice Krispies, mix all that together, and I love these granola bar silicone molds. They are so handy. Fill them up with your Rice Krispie chocolate mix, and I like to add a little bit more of the smooth peanut butter on top. And then I make that little squiggly design with just a little sharp knife. Then I put them in the freezer, and you know they're ready when they're set. If you don't have the molds, you could also use a muffin case. They come out perfect as well. Then I store them in the fridge, but I can't say they last very long because we all love them.